pwede naman kasi we already have the and U sound. Ang word, pwede lang the ending one is not already a part of the same assonance. Okay, so, the stool. O sige, pwede naman yung stool. Pero kasi, dahil U sound nga ang gamit natin kasi. So, put in down, basta i-blank na lang. Ganyan siya. So, that is how you that is how you arrive at okay? You focus first sa vowel letters which are the A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Not only yung 5 na yan. Okay? The A, E, I, O. Okay, if you already locate those words, try, o after na nakita nyo na yung A, E, I, O, U na yan, basahin nyo kung same ba sila sa sound. Okay. Para pag same na sila ng sound, that is therefore an example of what we call the accent. So remember, anywhere. So it can be at the first, at the last, as long as it is the same sound as you are trying to, or you are saying or giving an example. Okay, do you have any question? None. Of course, wala kayong ganito. Ganito.
Sir, may sasagutin.
Ha?
May sasagutin nyo yan.
Oo, may sasagot kayo.
Ano yung question?
Bukas na, matasagot.
Bukas pala daw sa video.
Okay, so that is our topic on the assonance. Ano gawin natin yan? Wala lang. Okay, so remember that the assonance po, okay, baka kasi mag-confuse kayo sa onomatopoeia. Okay, when I ask for the onomatopoeia, remember, pag sinabi ng onomatopoeia, yun yung first letter of the word, di ba? Pag sinabi naman natin assonance, that is anywhere. Okay? As long as same po sila ng letter and yung sound. Okay? Kaya po, ganoon po siya kadali. Maintindihan. Okay? So yung question? Question kayo? Wala? Naintindihan ba ang tarik? Well, yes na naman kayo dyan. Yes na naman kayo dyan. Okay. So that is our topic. Okay, we'll try na if you really understood that.
Nakakadawan din yan.
Diba nga, di ako mapakili.
What do you keep looking at me? What is it about you?
Sana yung okay, your English notebook, you're trying to do this. Pero pag lang naman.
Ay!
Oh, sir, yan. Oh. Maniwala. Maniwala ka dyan.